Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert text symbol in Microsoft Word. So in this video I will show you fastest way to get check mark in Microsoft Word in 2024. So its latest method. Click on insert, then symbol, more symbols, and here select Windings, and in the last you will find this check mark. Just insert. So this is the classic way. I will show you fastest way. Like you want to insert this check mark, select it, autocorrect, and replace with like this symbol, like slash, and type here mark 1. Yeah, and click on add, and click on add, click on OK and close it. Now just guys, you have to type mark 1 with slash mark 1, press enter. So anytime you need, you can type this tick. Similar way, you can create a shortcut for any symbol. Like you need a shortcut for this symbol, autocorrect, and type your text with any combination of key like mark 2, add, and click on OK. Close it and same, type mark 2, press enter. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you. Subscribe this channel for more useful videos.